Same component, same code, two completely different brands. That's what we're building today. In the previous video, we built a skill that turns one-liners into full animations. Type something like make subscribe-CTA, and you get a working animation. Generic, clean, functional. That's great for prototyping. But if you're building this for a real channel or a client, generic isn't enough. Today we go one step further. We teach the skill who the brand is, what they do, how they sound. So instead of typing make subscribe CTA, you type create a subscribe CTA for Appy Dave. And Claude builds it in Appy Dave's colors, with Appy Dave's logo, Appy Dave's tagline, Appy Dave's energy. We're doing this for two real channels, Appy Dave and AITLDR. Two very different brands, same skill file. Let's build it. The problem with colors only. Before we write anything, let me show you why colors alone aren't enough. A generic subscribe CTA has the right structure, but the copy is bland. The tagline says something like, subscribe for more. The button just says, subscribe. If you only change the colors, you don't get a branded animation. You get a recolored template. A real brand-aware system needs 3 layers: visual, colors, fonts, logo, handle, the look, identity, who they are, what they create, who they serve, the substance, tone, how it should feel, the personality. When Claude understands all 3, the output doesn't just look right, it sounds right too. Defining the brands. Here are the 2 brands we're working with. Appy Dave, warm, grounded builder energy. Dark brown background with gold accents. An AI advisor and software architect. Audience of entrepreneurs and developers. Content focused on building apps and integrating AI into business. Tone that's practical and builder-focused. AITLDR. Cool, sharp, fast energy. Dark navy background with cyan accents. Quick AI tutorials for beginners and creators. Tone that's punchy and straight to the point. The same animation should feel different for each. That's the goal. Building the brand registry. Open your skill file from the previous video. At the top, before the animation prompts, add a new section called the brand registry. This is where we define each brand once. Each entry includes the 3 layers: visual details, colors, logo, typography; identity, what the brand represents; tone, how the copy should sound. Now every animation in the skill knows to check this registry when a brand name is mentioned. Define Appy Dave with its dark brown gradient, gold accents, builder identity, and practical tone. Define AITLDR with its navy and cyan palette, tutorial focus, and fast, punchy tone. Save the file. That's the registry. Updating the skill instructions. Next, we teach the skill how to use the registry. Add a new instruction section explaining how to handle branded commands. When a command includes a brand name, the skill should look up the brand in the registry, extract the visual identity and tone layers, inject them into the animation prompt automatically, use the brand's tagline options for copy, reference the correct logo path. The user should never need to specify colors or messaging manually. One command should produce a fully branded result. Save again. The skill now knows that brand names trigger brand definitions. Live demo, Appy Dave. Let's test it. Create a pulsing subscribe CTA for Appy Dave. Claude reads the registry, pulls the colors, the logo, the tagline, the tone, and generates a component. Preview it. Dark brown background, gold subscribe button. Appy Dave logo. Let's build together. That's a branded deliverable, not a template. Try another one. Create a lower third for Appy Dave with a specific title and subtitle. Same lower third component from earlier videos. Completely different brand feel. Live demo, AITLDR. Now let's test AITLDR. Create a pulsing subscribe CTA for AITLDR. Preview it. Navy background, cyan glow. Master AI in minutes. Sharp, fast, punchy. Place the 2 versions side by side. Same component, same code structure. 2 completely different brand personalities. Now test a lower third for AITLDR. It feels clean, minimal, and fast. The opposite of Appy Dave's warm, grounded style. That's brand-aware animation. The deliverable. Here's what you just built. 2 complete animation kits. One for Appy Dave, one for AIT Elder, each with branded components ready to render. If this were a client project, you could deliver the rendered animations, plus the skill file itself. Next time they need a new animation, they type one line, and it comes out on brand automatically. That's not a one-off job. That's a productized system. The key insight. Here's what changed between the last video and today. Before, the skill knew what to build. Now it knows who it's building for. Generic command produces a generic animation. Brand-aware command produces a branded animation. The difference is the brand registry. Define the brand once. Use it forever. You're no longer writing prompts. You're no longer specifying colors. You've built a system. You now have a skill that understands brands. Add more brands to the registry, and it scales automatically. Your channel, your client's startup, any project. Same one-line commands. Personalized output every time. This series has gone from basic animations to a fully branded production workflow powered by a custom skill. That's not a toy. That's a real system. Subscribe for more AI tools that actually work. I'm out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.